In 2025, Bitcoin isn't just a speculative asset anymore. It's a pillar of the global economy. From Wall Street to small villages in Africa, Bitcoin is now in the hands of more people than ever before. But how did we get here? And where's it headed next? Let's dive in. Back in the early days, Bitcoin was dismissed as internet money for tech geeks. Even in the 2020s, governments and banks saw it as a threat. But year after year, Bitcoin survived market crashes, regulatory battles, and endless predictions of its death. Then came the turning point, 2024's halving event. Supply tightened, demand surged, and the world started paying attention again. Fast forward to today. In 2025, Bitcoin adoption has exploded. More than 10% of the world's population now holds some Bitcoin. Several countries have integrated it into their banking systems, and major corporations treat it as a treasury reserve asset. Payment networks like Visa, MasterCard, and even PayPal now allow direct Bitcoin transactions. No conversion needed. You can buy your coffee, pay your rent, or settle an international business deal with Bitcoin in seconds. And thanks to the Lightning Network, those transactions cost less than a cent. Why the surge? Simple economics. Bitcoin's supply is capped at 21 million coins, and as more investors, institutions, and nations buy in, scarcity drives value. But it's not just price. Inflation around the world has pushed people to look for harder money, something governments can't print at will. In places like Argentina, Nigeria, and Turkey, Bitcoin isn't a tech trend, it's financial survival. And here's the big one. Central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs, are now rolling out worldwide. They've made people more aware of the difference between controlled, trackable money and decentralized, permissionless Bitcoin. Of course, it's not all smooth sailing. Governments still wrestle with regulation. Some want to tax Bitcoin heavily, others restrict mining over environmental concerns. The network is stronger and more energy efficient than ever, but public debates over its impact continue. And let's be real, Bitcoin's price is still volatile. Even in 2025, a tweet, a policy change, or a global crisis can swing the market 10% in a day. It's not a risk-free asset, but then again, neither is any currency in a changing world. So what's next? Analysts predict Bitcoin could reach new highs before the decade's end. Some say it will replace gold as the ultimate store of value. Others believe it will coexist with national currencies, acting as the internet's native money. One thing is clear, the conversation has shifted. In 2015, people asked, what is Bitcoin? In 2025, they're asking, how do I use it? Bitcoin's story is far from over. Whether you see it as digital gold, freedom money, or just a hedge against the unknown, 2025 is proving that Bitcoin isn't going away, it's going everywhere.